Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Samsung camera flashlight not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, find out camera app, tap on camera, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Press on power button, tap on reset phone normally. Now open on phone camera. Now camera flash working on Samsung. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.